I'm Grace. I have on the base for my face, and I'm gonna film a romantic Valentine's Day-esque eye look using this palette. So I'm gonna start by priming my eyes. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, just a tiny bit of that. I'm gonna put it on a flat brush, just taking it off the back of my hand and gently brushing it on my eyes. I'm gonna do my whole lid. I want it to go all the way from the bottom up to the brow. I did my brows already. I like the bit of pigment in here because I have somewhat translucent skin. Not overly translucent, but somewhat enough to see my veins through my eyelids, and this kind of helps cover up some of those veins and gives me a nice canvas to work on. Okay, I'm going to start by highlighting my brow bone with the lightest non-shimmery color called Maud right over here. Gonna use a fluffy brush and just gently brush that in there, right underneath my brow bone. I know it's kind of hard to see right now, but it will make a difference when everything's done. Kind of like one of those old clowns where you would put the white all around the eyes and then do the rest of your makeup in a different color. You know what I'm talking about? Okay, for Valentine's Day, I'm going to stick to the pink tones. So I'm going to use Andy right over here and create a V shape. So this is like a kind of a mauve-y pink. I'm going to start near my eyelashes and just tap, 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 brush it out and in. I'm only going like up to the halfway point when I brush it in. Build it up out here. And then at the end, I'm going to curve it inward along the crease, which will create the V. Oh, that's the V. I know my hands are much bigger than the V I'm creating. Gonna use a clean, fluffy brush to smoke it out a bit. Just blend it. There we go. And then magically do the same thing on the other side. Voila! This is a really nice shade if you vibe with cool tone shadows. There's a nice mix of cools and warms in this palette. But yeah, this shade is chef's kiss. I'm not a chef. Should clarify that. Now, I'm going to try something a little funky here. I have, so you can't tell, Rebellion and Groove. Groove is really, so I'm going to take Rebellion, this dark shade in the middle here and use that as a liner. It's a crimson color. Take it on an angled brush, look down, and just line my lashes with that using an angled brush. You know, that is definitely a Valentine's Day liner color. Not that you couldn't wear this on other days, but it has a kind of it's fun for today. Well, it's a little before Valentine's Day for me, but it's a fun look. Oops. I just brushed some fallout here. Gotta go fix that. I usually do my my eyes first. Then you don't have to worry about the fallout, but I did not do that today. So I'm going to go from the bottom lash line up, and then I can clean this all up after. So just the outer corner of the bottom lash line, and that'll give me where I want this kind of point to go. At the end of my wing to go. So. Oh, lots of fallout here. Part of the fallout is because I'm using a really dense brush, so it's grabbing and a lot of shadow, and then it's falling off the brush. Blend that a little bit with this brush. Then I'll clean up the fallout and copy this on the other side. These smudge out so nicely. I'm gonna fill in the V here a bit with my dense brush, because the my angled brush is so thin it will take forever, and nobody wants to wait that long. Or maybe you do, but I don't. Okay. Oh, no. Now let's add some shimmer. I'm gonna go in with the middle, the very, very middle shade, Psychedelic. It's a bright, it's a really bright pink shimmer. Pack a lot of punch. Take it on a flat brush and start close to the inner corner, and then go to the middle. So just gently patting it on like that. Sparkle makes so much difference. Here's the eye with the sparkle, the eye without. Okay, now for a smoother, more cohesive look, I'm going to go in with that first shade again, kind of mauve-y shade. Go over my liner and build in the V and the crease. Just kind of blending everything together. There we go. Blend it together. Not blend it together. And just keep blending a little bit more. And do the other side. Okay, that's it for the shadow. Now I'm going to line my waterline. This is the Extreme Lasting pencil from Essence in Silky Nude, but any like nude or peachy liner, will work. Just going right in there. Kind of makes your eyes a little bit bigger looking. I have one waterline done with a light color. Then on the top, I'll use the Essence Stay and Play one. This one's supposed to be waterproof, so it should last in that top line. And just do the outer half, but see what difference that makes? Here's the one that's done. Here's the one that isn't. Subtle, but it makes a difference. I'll admit I don't tightline every day because I like to think that I'm not getting too much makeup in my eyes on a regular basis. I'm not sure how much of a difference it makes for your eyes, but I don't know, it's just a thing for me. Okay, now I will curl my lashes and toss on some mascara. Mascara is on. Take my hair out. Do my lips. Gonna use the, what is this? Sephora gel liner in 22 Midday Rose. Just like a cool tone light pink. I don't really overline, I just try to, I just follow the natural line and try to make them look a little bit more even than they naturally are, but a little bit uneven. But you know what, that's okay. Alright, super cool toned bullet lipstick in matte creme cup. Smells really nice. I put my hair back up so I can add some mini lashes. Just gonna take these little knotted flare lashes. They have like a little, I'm not sure you can see that. It's a little tip at the end. Just dip it in some glue and then toss it just where I need some more fill on the corner. So really subtle, but adds just a bit. I have one on each side, just where they were thin here. You could add more, but I'm not doing anything that I need to be overly glam for today. This lash glue that comes with the Ardell Duralash smells like you should have a chemical wash station somewhere nearby. It is really strong. I'm gonna warm up my lip just a bit and add some flair with Anastasia Beverly Hills gloss in Sunscape. There we go. You would think this would be too orange, but on top of a really cool lip, it works. Okay. Now I'll officially take my hair out. I just ran to wash my hands when I noticed how dirty they got. I can't be the only one that gets really dirty hands when they do their makeup. Anyways, here's the final look. Let me know what you think and have a wonderful day. And happy Valentine's Day. Bye.